Been living this lavish, yes, I've been had it. I'm a real princess, these bitches is catfish. What's all that static? Catch me in traffic. Been doing this shit, my music is classic. I've been this tatted, bitches dramatic. Fucked it up, made it back, it's elastic. Fucked it up, made it back, it's elastic. Yes, bitch, yes, you know that I had it. Fucked it up, made it back, it's elastic. Ha, yes, I've been had it. Fucked it up, made it back, it's elastic. Ha, yes, it's elastic. Shut the fuck up, little bitch, don't you talk to me. These bitches cheaters, they always gonna.
Then this is just for you. I am going to drip drip in Gucci Gucci, Louis Louis, Fendi Fendi, Prada, Versace Versace, Medusa head on me like I'm Illuminati, on a budget. A lot of young, ambitious millennials like myself just graduated college, expected to make 6 figures, expected to be able to afford a lavish lifestyle that Ariana Grande, Nicki Minaj, Chuck Bass, and my high school guidance counselor promised me, yet I can now barely afford to breathe and relax, mi amor. Okay, that's my boyfriend. Anyways, I took a trip to a federally approved Walmart back in December with this kid that I used to work with.
What's going on? Oh, you're recording me.
And they just kicked that
It was in
out of the way. And you
It was in your way. It was in your way.
Like a minute. I just have to get stuff to bedazzle my shoes, and I'm good. We're Gucci, get it? We're Gucci. We're Versace, you know. And it is now May, where I am finally making use of all of this useless crap that I bought, which in total cost me roughly around $86, $87, in contrast to the $4,995 roughly that I could have spent. But we don't gotta tell people that, because social media is what we want others to perceive of our life, right? The first thing I'm gonna Chinatown is this Baroque tribute silk farood. In other words, a scarf. So here are the items that I bought. I got a wrap scarf for the hair, and now I'm just cutting this, pretending like I know what I'm doing, because I really don't. I was just winging it. I was lazy, bought this gold tape that I thought matched the very intricate design of the actual scarf, which is here. I'll put it here so you can see more in depth the beauty that I'm duplicating. But at this point, my camera is dying now. We still are gonna look cool regardless, but it's about to shut off. So we're gonna go and jump into the next piece of art. The next thing that we're going to Chinatown are the infamous Gucci Gucci slides. Low-key always wanted a pair. These beach sandals cost $1,380. Honestly, these things better come with like an auto bi-weekly pedicure feature, because the things people do to validate themselves in society. On to the next validating material item. Off camera, I've already added the red ribbon, and now I'm just trying to add these pearls. Side note, I got this Gorilla Glue thinking that it was instant Gorilla Glue, and it was actually Gorilla Glue that you have to wait 2 hours for. So once I realized that it fell, I tried sewing it. When sewing was taking too long and it didn't work, and I was getting tired and annoyed, I taped it. I took the easy way out as always, and here I am just drawing the G, because you know, we're G's in Gucci or whatever. Yeah, and now I'm adding this stuff on here. This is really sad, but in the moment I was kind of like impressed with myself. I'm like, wow, this actually looks kind of like it. And then when I looked at the actual shoe, I was just as disappointed in myself as I was when I began making this video. Now here's the second one, and again off camera, because this was really difficult for me. And I was just over it, and here I am taking the easy way out again with just tape. And we're gonna jump to the next clip. So we're going to go into the next piece that's gonna make us look even cooler now. Now I'm switching up the designer game. You know, I went from Versace to Gucci to Versace again, because, you know, you don't want to be just drip drip match match. You want to be drip drip mix match. You want to look belligerently rich, like you don't care, like you just like, yeah, let me get some Versace, let me get a little Prada, let me get a little Gucci. That's what we want to look like. Okay, that's what society wants. That's what we're gonna give them. And we're gonna Chinatown this Versace two-tone t-shirt. Thank you, Migos and Drake, for exposing us to this very affordable $625 shirt. Yes, thank you so much, celebrities. So this is going to be quite brief. My camera died in the middle of this, so I didn't get to really capture much of me designing this. This was my favorite shirt or item to DIY because this is a really awesome, helpful DIY, let's be cool video. So yeah, you're just gonna have to watch the montage at the end of me looking super expensive. And we're going on into the next clip now. I got this stuff for this nylon hood with floral print from Gucci. And I'm looking at it now. I envisioned something with this. I like, legitimately, like, and I'm not entirely sure where my mindset was 6 months ago. Moving on, we're gonna deduct that from our 4,900 and whatever, and however much it's gonna be now, because we're not doing that. So I am really excited to Chinatown this baby here, a whopping $800. And I kind of took the easy way out with this one when you see how I'm gonna create this. So your favorite DIY star here. Here's the green ribbon, then we have the red ribbon here, and then here I am trying to figure out how I'm going to approach this because I just was winging everything that looked legit. And now here's the really easy studded ribbon that I bought to stick to everything. And I'm using the Gorilla Glue again that I'm well aware does not work. And I try and stick it on, realize it's not working, which then, look how fancy I think I am. I'm already feeling rich there. And now I'm trying to put it together. It looks kind of okay. It looks like the Italian flag, doesn't it? And then I take out the sewing kit, and before you could see me struggle on sewing everything again, the camera died, and on to the next. Last but not least, I have been dying to Chinatown these acetate sunglasses. Honestly, for these, I have a collection of sunglasses and couldn't find anything that thick. And I'm like, you know, I have a collection of sunglasses. Let me just take one of those, no biggie, spray paint that hoe. Here's the bag of my sunglasses collection. What the heck? I literally have my Versace scarf coming apart. Yes, you know what? We could just say these are Gucci. I thought this one would have been like literally perfect, but they're so thin. I have no idea. Like, I want to spray paint and I wouldn't be able to spray paint these. I have these ugly ones. I don't know if it's going to be like sufficient, but we're going to spray paint it. And yeah. To conclude the final accessory in this wonderful DIY yourself to be really cool, validated on IG to stunt on them haters. I'm just spray painting this. This was literally the easiest thing. That spray paint color came in handy. It had like a lot of glitter, so I'm just spraying it here in the basement since it was really dark out and I wouldn't be able to get any good footage. And here I am just flipping it around. You know, it's painful and it's a lot of work to be beautiful and look as expensive as I'm going to look in the next 10 seconds. So voila.
Shining, everybody gonna shine. I was born like this, don't even gotta try. I like shot a nigga better over time. They just say I'm not the baddest bitch, you lie. It ain't my fault.